Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. Happy New Year to all of you. May God give you peace, mercy and blessings in 2025. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about View tab. So as usual, we have to be typing the formula before we move towards all of the options that are present in View tab. So let's try to go for formula is equal to. What we have to do is to go for reading mode. This is known as read mode or reading mode. If you click on that, it will show the document or whatever you have typed like this. It is something that is related to reading mode. So if you want to get rid of that, you have to be holding the escape button on your keyboard. See, now if I want to go for web layout, this is resulting something like that. And print layout, which is as usual. Outline mode, if you want to get rid of that, you have to be going for close. Draft, it is something like that. So what I have to recommend you is that if you want to read something or whatever you have on your interface, you have to be going for a read mode, either read mode or print layout. Print layout is something that is as usual or normal, and if you want to read something, you have to be clicking on read mode, which will be resulting something like that. And let me repeat that for you. If you want to get rid of that, you have to be holding the escape button on your keyboard. Let's try to understand what is ruler. If I click there, this is something that is showing to me, which is known as ruler. Well, if I click there and hit enter and type something, the words or the letters are starting from this place, from this area. So what I need to do is, if I click on this slider and if I move that there, now whatever I type will be starting from this place. See, and if I hit enter, it will be starting from the same place. So this is what is known as ruler. Let me go for grid lines. Grid lines are something like a sort of grids are being made. If you want to make or draw whatever you have, like as if you want to draw something like shape, so it will be helping you out in drawing your shapes. And if I go for navigation pane, this is something that if you want to search something, it will be helping you out. For example, I want to search something like whatever I have on my interface, like for example, I want to search new word. If I hit enter, it will be highlighted, means it will be giving some sort of yellow color to whatever I have typed and whatever I want to find. So this is something known as navigation pane. Let's try to go for zoom slider. Let's try to go for zoom group that is present there. And if I click there, it will be directing me what sort of size should I select. For example, if I go for 200% and hit OK, see, it will be zooming in. And if I go for 100, it will be as same or as usual as it was before. And if I go for this and hit 75%, see, it will be zooming out. So what I have to do is to click on 100%. And let's try to use some more, like going for one page. This is something that I'll be explaining this like this. If I click there and hold the enter button on the keyboard, see, I must be making more pages at the bottom, or more of the pages are being made. So let me go at the top. And if I go for multiple pages, this is something if I click there and either I want to type something or either I want to hold the enter button on keyboard, see, my new pages are being made beside any of the page. See, it will be resulting something like that. New pages are being made side by side. So let's try to go for one page. And if I want to go for page width, it will be resulting something like that. Let me make you understand furthermore. If I choose 100% size, I want to go for page width. So if I use page width, this will be zooming my page to me according to my LCD or according to my LED, whatever I have for display. If I click there, see, it will be giving something like that. It will be giving the result something like that. Let's try to go and use new window option. If I click there, see, it will be making new window for me. This is the previous one and this is the new one. Let's try to go for arrange all, and it will be arranging all of the windows that I have. Let's try to go for view once again. Split is some sort of option that is sometime needed to be used. Let's try to go for the first one. Whatever I type on first window will also be edited in the second one. See, whatever I edit on first window, and that will be edited in second window too. This is something that is related to split. If you want to bring back, if you want to remove split option, you have to be going for remove split. View side by side, this is something that is showing the windows side by side. This is something that will be resetting. And let's try to go for switch window. Go for window 1, and if you want to go for window 1, you can go for window 1, which is something present there, like I have typed something. And if you want to go for second window, you can also go for second window. So let's try to use the last option that is known as macros. Let me delete that. Macro is something that will be recording whatever you type. Like for example, I want to start the recording, record macro, and I have to be typing ABC. This is maybe the name of this one. If you can see, sort of cassette is made there. The moment I clicked there, that recording is in process. So I want to type something. Today I want to remain silent. The recording is still in process, means it is still going on. I want to go and stop recording. See, I have stopped the recording. So whatever I typed is being saved. I want to select that and remove it back or delete that. So I have deleted that, and I have gone there and I have typed something and hit enter, and I have typed something and hit enter. I want to go for view, and I want to bring whatever I have recorded. I want to go for view macros and click on ABC and run. See, whatever I recorded is being brought. So that's all for today's tutorial, which I have taught you all about view tab, which mostly Microsoft Word is being finished, and there are some more settings which I'll be teaching you in the next tutorial. So thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.